Superheroes, heroes, and film stars of Bollywood and Hollywood inspires us with their filmy stories. Certainly, we start to feel them and try to make them real in our life. Engrossing cartoon characters and heroes keep our kids for hours in front of the screen. Throughout the day, we hear many imaginative stories and tell tales by our kids. But there are some real life heroes, the heroes who protect us, help us to survive from fatal damages, make us happy through their dedicated walks towards the society, the country. I salute all those heroes fighting in the front line day and night with the enemies, who let us live in the country, who let us sleep peacefully at night. But don't forget that all the wars and fightings are not over LOC. There are some fight which happens inside our country, inside our community, in our society. I'm talking about the disaster. I'm talking about the poverty, the war, the kind of disaster, epidemic, flood, or drought. There are some real life heroes who dedicate their lives, their breath to fight these wars and fightings in favor of us. They don't even care for their lives. Even they dedicate their last breath to fight for us. On this humanitarian day, I would like to salute and pay respect to those who laid their lives working for humanitarian causes. I pray to God for those doctors, nurses, policemen, and all those who fought with this epidemic coronavirus. May their soul rest in peace. World Humanitarian Day is an international day dedicated to recognize humanitarian personnel and those who have lost their lives working for humanitarian causes. On this eve of the World Humanitarian Day, we will teach our kids to help others and respect those who are fighting on humanitarian causes around us. We will create such an example that will inspire them to fight for others, help others, and make kindness to be the greatest of all. The United Nations General Assembly established World Humanitarian Day to remember the demise of Sergio Vieira de Mello and 21 of his fellow humanitarians in a bombardment of Baghdad, headquarters of the United Nations. Sergio had worked at great length, attempting to pull together the draft for the official designation of World Humanitarian Day. The World Humanitarian Day was officially constituted to recognize Sergio and several people like him. They worked for every day towards the betterment of the world for the less fortunate, the underprivileged, and those living in the areas of war, starvation, and pestilence.